reflected and refracted by mirror lenses. In our everyday lives, we constantly interact with mirrors and lenses, whether we're using a smartphone cameras, wearing glasses, or looking in a bathroom mirror. These tools rely on science or refraction and refraction. So kita, like example manamin ta, kailangan man jutag sa amin sa everyday life na to kay important na manamin ta kay para makakita ta sa ato ang reflection. So especially kanang for example kanang manayaw ta, so important sad na motan-aw ta sa ato ang appearance para makibaw ta kung unsa ta.
Mirrors reflect light to form clear images of ourselves, while lenses and items like glasses, cameras, bend or refract light to help us see better or capture sharp pictures. Understanding how light behaves through reflection and refraction helps us improve everything from medical devices to virtual reality technology. Mirrors work by reflecting light, meaning they bounce light back to show accurate images. Mo ni siya gitawag og kanang reflecting. Then ang lenses is like kanang siya mga sa eyeglasses, camera, kanang one pa siya mag-work po na siya og bending light. Mo ni siya gitawag og refraction.
Image formed by reflection of light. Reflection occurs when light bounces off a surface. Law of reflection. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. Example, angle of incidence. Angle of reflection means when light hits a mirror, it bounces off the same angle it came. So, ug unsa tong light nga, unsa angle ang light ning kuan sa mirror, mo bounce pud siya nga tupod nga angle. Mao na ang angle of incidence or angle of reflection. Then, two types of reflection, specular and diffuse. Specular reflection happens on smooth surface. Like, sample ani, like mga mirrors, like smooth bitaw siya mga samin sa duha kay kiklaro kayo. Then, diffuse reflection happen in a raw surfaces like, sample like paper, walls, rock, kay malabo bitaw siya makita, dili siya clean. Mao na siya ang diffuse reflection. Then mao to siya ang two types of reflection.
Plane mirror images, explanation and examples. Number 1. Bathroom mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror cannot be projected onto a screen because it appears to be behind the mirror. This is called a virtual mirror. Number 2. The car side mirror. The left and right side of the object appear reversed in the mirror. For example, if you raise your right hand, it appears as if the left hand is raised in the image. Number 3. Dressing mirror. The image in a plane mirror is always the same as the object and appears to be the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it.
Concave mirror. Concave mirrors can produce real or virtual images. If objects is beyond focal point, image is real and inverted. If object is within the focal point, image is virtual and magnified. Example ani is kanang, for example, mag-shave ka, then kanang pang-shave na mirror hindi gamit. Muduol siya basta ibuwa ka ni dool. So, another example ani nga mirror is kanang makeup mirror. Ang makeup mirror is kanang basin pag nakasalayo, muduol imong naong, and then if nakakasaduol sa mirror, mulayo imong naong. So, nalain na siya klase nga mirror.
Refraction occurs when light bends while passing between different mediums. Example ani is kanang magunit ka og kanang circle nga refraction, like when kanang glass nga circle bitaw, then og imo na siyang gunitan then i-reflect nimo siya sa light bitaw sa sun, is mo color tong glass nga imong gigunitan. Pwede siya mo reflect. Example sa aning picture nga gihatag na mo is na siya branches. Mo reflect siya branches, clouds, sunset. Mo reflect siya sa imong gigunitan nga circle nga glass. Next is na ay govern by Snell's law. Naami law nga gibasihan, which is gidiscuss sa other nako nga kauban. Then na siya refraction causes objects to appear displaced in water. Example, baso, naisud tubig. If kanang baso imo na siyang ibutang sa light, malaitan siya, is mo expound or mo bend ng yang height, mo refract bitaw tungod sa lights, mo bend siya, dili siya same sa size nga normal, pero tanaw nimo siya shadow, mo bend siya pag-ayo tungod siyang formation sa size sa glass. Kana pong mga samin nga mga tempted, once na malaitan, mo color siya, example mga rainbow, mga na siya, mo appear siya, depende na dyan sa size sa medium nga imong ginagamit.
Good day everyone, my name is Princess Hanalyn A. Ichala. So today's I will going to tackle about reflection and refraction of light. So, convex lenses is a lens that a thicker in the middle than at the edges. It bends, refracts light rays inward, causing them to converge at a point called the focus. So, convex lenses is a convex lenses coverage light rays, and second is can form real or virtual images and depending on object position. So example is magnifying glasses, camera lenses, and a human eye. The example of convex lenses is first is eyeglasses. Eyeglasses help people see nearby object more clearly by covering light rays onto the retina. And the second is cameras. So the main lens in a camera is convex. It focuses light to form a clear image on the film or digital sensor. And the third one is microscopes. So it uses multiple convex lenses to magnify tiny objects for scientific study. And fourth one is telescopes. Use convex lenses to gather and focus light from the distant object like stars and planets. And the fifth one is projectors. So projector is used convex lenses to focus and project a large image onto a screen. And the sixth one is human eye. And this is the last one, human eye. So the human eye is the natural lens in the human eye is a convex lens that helps focus light on the retina.
Convex lenses. Convex lenses converge light rays, can form real or virtual images depending on object position. Example:
optical devices. And the first optical devices is the cameras. In cameras is used convex lenses to focus light on sensors. Second, microscopes. It is used multiple lenses to magnify objects. And next, telescopes. Collect light from distant objects using lenses or mirrors. And the last is the eyeglasses. Correct vision by adjusted light refraction. A camera is kanang mogamit na siya kanang it is used para makafocus tanon para ma-focus nimo ang object, kailangan siya manog light. More light sensor siya ba? At para dili blurred imong pictures or imong makuha.
Reflection follows the law of reflection. Refraction follows Snell's law and depends on the medium mirrors and mirrors and lenses affect image formation differently. Optical devices use reflection and refraction for various applications. Kining refractions naay gi-follows nga Snell's law, which is gi-discuss ni siya sa akong kauban. Pero magdepende siya sa klase sa medium sa mirror.